Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Guns and Outdoors. We've got a pretty cool one for you today. This is my granddaughter Natalie, and she was wondering about shooting slime. So she made up a lot of slime. You want to grab one of them, bring it to the camera? We'll show them exactly what she made, hon. She worked really hard on this stuff just for us to shoot it. You got it? Here, I'll hold it. I know it's heavy. And she put a bunch of goodies in there. Tell everybody how you made it, hon.
I grabbed the glue, and then I made a borax solution, and then I poured it. Grabbed it in there and mixed it.
Oh, cool. What else is in it?
There's foam beads and flat marbles and these fake leaves.
Well, there you got it. The perfect recipe for shooting slime. Well, let's get this all set up, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to try the first one with a 22, the second one with a 9, and the last one with a 45. Let's get set up and get this thing going. All right, guys, first thing we're going to do is 22. Let's get our ears on. Brought out the Smith 622. Mike brought some CCI mini mags.
Well, the silver ones are dangerous.
Pretty hot little 22. Everybody else is way back there. They got their safety gear on, so we're ready to rock. Hit this one on the left. We're clear. All right, let's see what she done. I hit that right on the bottom. I'm going to take a second shot and go a little higher.
Did it make it through?
No, I actually got a piece of metal right there. All right, we'll hit that on the bottom. Let's see if we can get a better aim shot at it.
Get the silver.
One thing I forget about this pistol, with the barrel being on the bottom, I tend to shoot low every time.
Yeah.
I'll get used to it.
That was a good one.
All right, I think we got a good hit that time, guys. Pistol is clear. Let's check her out. We went plumb through it. Check it out. There's our entrance hole. Sure enough, it come all the way through that slime. All right, this 9's going to be hard on it. All right, guys, for the 9, brought the Diamondback DBFS back out. Let's see what kind of damage it does. And we're shooting some Remington 115 grain hollow points. Get her ears on. I know I won't miss it from here. We're clear. Well, as you can see, we ripped the whole side out of that one.
Wow.
Get up there, slime. That 9 went through both of them. Tore a first one up and even went through his second one. Well, got to really line them up for this 45. At the angle I was shooting, it exited out towards the left and missed that one in the back. I'm going to get right up on it this time and try to get the best shot I can with 45. All right, guys, there's 4 of them. That's clear. Let's put that away. Now we're going to take Remington RP and see what she'll do. And hopefully I don't get covered with slime on this one. Stay nice and straight with it and get a good straight shot. Man, it gutted that thing right open. But that's it. Yeah, that's all it done.
I think it was low and to the left, though.
It gutted that first one. And you can see a dent in the second one. That big old 45 didn't go through that. Try another shot with it.
That one did the second right there.
Yep. And then there's our exit. We did get our second one. It came out the top and barely grazed our third one. There's still enough stuff here for you to shoot, Natalie. Well, there you have it, guys. You see how that slime done different things depending on what caliber I used, of course, but what distance I was. That first 45 shot didn't go all the way through that, but that second one did, and actually went through the first one, and the second one it popped out of the top. The way I was standing, I was straight at them targets. Bullet went in there and veered upwards. Good thing we got a good backdrop. Well, y'all, thanks for watching that. It was a cool shoot, and we thank Natalie for doing all that slime up for us. We're going to have her in the upcoming video too, doing a little bit of shooting. We'll show y'all some safety and how to teach your kids and your grandkids the right and the wrong way to do some things when you're out on the range. If y'all would, please leave some comments, any suggestions you have, and any questions. And if you're able, visit us on our Patreon page. And if you would, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank y'all much.